What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. Gonna try something new out. I did a full slick back tutorial on a drop fade on very thick Mexican hair, so I'm gonna drop some gems on that. He had kind of like a 60 40 70 30 kind of like curtain haircut that he wanted to switch up a little bit, and I realized he had a lot of density, so I just worked through the whole fade, blended it, and you know, that's what I'm gonna be explaining today through this video. So let's get to work, guys. I contoured the fade to kind of suit his head shape because he did have like a really small head. You know, a lot of the times we think that we have to go high on the fade to make it kind of blurry, but I've realized that you have to really fit every single fade according to the client that you're working with. And when I go up with the three guard is kind of the guard that I like to set the base, right? Everything on top of the three is gonna be as dark as possible. So I used to think that just by running through the three guard all the way on top, it's just gonna look blurry still. But now I realize we gotta leave some hair here on the side. And everything on top of that three guard, you guys can go with the 4 and then use the thinning shears. He had so much hair, like I could just do that all day long and you wouldn't even notice. You know, I did that for like a good 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, the half guard. Usually I go up with the lever open, but we're using the half guard. You know, I've just kind of switched it up a little bit on you guys, and I like using the half guard now, and I like skipping the 1 guard and the 2 guard. So you guys realize here, I went again with the trimmer. So what I wanted to do with the trimmer is just push the line a little bit. I kind of made the guideline a little bit too thick. So that's what I did with the trimmer. And now we're gonna blend just using the open to close method. So I'm gonna blend that 0.5 guard out, but I'm not really gonna try to go all the way up because we did use a half guard. It would make no sense if I went all the way up with the lever open. So I'm going above that line with the 0.5 guard now, and I'm gonna go open to closed, and I'm gonna skip the 1 guard, and you guys are gonna see. Now going open to close with the 1.5. That's the gem. That's the hardest part of the whole cut, is just using your shears over comb to detail. A real good tip, guys, is just, you know, just take your time. I use that YS Park comb because it's a little thicker. It's not gonna give me, there's more room for error. Now I'm just detailing a little bit on the back. If you guys want to detail an area, you guys have to remember where you guys place that guideline, and always start with the lever open and keep working your way lower by closing the lever. That's how you detail. Brush the area and take a step back and look at your work. And if it needs more work, just keep rinsing and repeating that until you get your desired result. I love using the thinning shears. Don't skip that. That's how you guys blend those dark areas. Since he didn't want to trim, I just made sure to really thin out his whole head. So I went overboard, but his hair was just so thick that I just had to just go ham on that. So, you know, you guys will see. Some slick gorilla. His hair was still thick. Look at that. This guy's never going bald. That's a drop fade, guys. A lot of thinning, a lot of detail work, no 1 guard, no 2 guard. If you guys enjoyed the content, let me know down below in the comment section. Appreciate the support. I'll see you guys next Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Peace.